in Vegas and 110 degrees weather. Really took Sapper for a ride. Videos do no justice. Trickle charger on. Interior clean like always. Just took it out for a ride. Scares me, man. It always smells like rocket fuel in here. Rocket fuel, rocket fuel. There's my daughter's little beast right here. Now, my pride and joy, JDM GD3. Oh man, been a while. Check out what the back looks like. Oh, look at those seats. Nice. Oh man, look at that OGW7 13-inch. Ooh-wee. Nice, looking fresh. Only got a little bit of miles on it. Looking fresh like always. Look at the original miles. Let's see. About 69. I weighed 77. I haven't opened up the trunk either in a while. Yep, super slow. Ooh, J's Racing SPL bars and everything down here. What's going on down here? Oh man. Got all the brace bars here. Look at that. That's an OG spoon. Spoon carbon fiber wing. Yep, I'm just a little 4-cylinder. Pushing about 270 to the wheel. Hey, these are good for the summertime, especially over here in Vegas. Look at with the Toyo R triple eights, with the J's Racing front scooter. I could go on and on and on. On and on and on. Wow. Ooh. Peekaboo. Oh man, look at that blowout valve. When it purges, man. Can you see the extended wiggy right there? My tire went, ooh. I should have it rerouted and have the down pipe go up. Like pediatric tactics, you know? Super clean. And like I said, videos do no justice. Let me see what it sounds like on neutral. See if it purges. Let me leave the video right here. Let's see what it sounds like. Hopefully the phone don't fall. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Let me try to put it in a good position. Okay, let's see. Let's see, guys. Phone fell. Whoa. Let me try to find a better position. Let me try to find a better position. Let's stay still. How about right here? Trying to find a better position where my phone will stay still. Alright, right here. Right there. Check it out. Also, look at that. Look at that hood. Man, but when I put it on drive, this thing sounds incredible once I hit those high RPMs, you know? We go back in here, because in Vegas it's hot. I'm gonna chill in the AC. Oh man, nice and fresh and cool. Boost, water good, oil temperature good. Look at all my little OG domos here. Here I got a zip tie, as you see, this Broadway mirror, because that thing will rattle as soon as those W7s kick in, and any bass, especially Metallica, with the double bass beat, mirror will fly in your face. Oh man, look at that, look at, what about that Greta E-Manage Ultimate running my engine? Yeah, tuned by Churches, tuning OG Church way back in the early 2000s, man. Yeah, nice. Yep, made in Japan. Look at my rules, no screaming or crying. Man, this thing is a monster when you drive. Slow, fast automobile, pure JDM. Look at it. First Honda right here with paddle shifters, man. A lot of people don't know, you know. Like, what do you mean this paddle shifters in a Honda Fit? You know? Yeah, man. A lot of little things a lot of people don't know about the JDM Honda Fit, you know? Look at it. A lot of little small stuff that don't sound no more. Coin holder, the red button, etc., etc. But, hey, these fumes are getting to me, so I'm out of here. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Peace.